we got poll taxes, we got poll tests, we got voter suppression, we got murder, all the things that suppressed not only the black vote, but really the ability to even register to vote in many parts of the Deep South. Not that there wasn't voter suppression everywhere during that period of time, but particularly in the Deep South, it was systematic, it was legal, it was Jim Crow. So in the 1960s, President Johnson brought us the Voting Rights Act, and actually, I think if you could see the wall behind me, there's a picture of John Lewis on my wall, who nearly got killed, uh, beaten, almost beaten to death, trying to push voting rights. So the Voting Rights Act basically stepped into, and the federal government came in, and again, particularly in the Deep South, where we had this systematic voter suppression, and said, you know, you guys have had the opportunity to handle your own elections, and you've failed miserably. So the Justice Department was tasked, and in places where you had a history of horrible behavior about voting, it said, look, the federal government is going to approve your maps. The federal government is going to, you had your chance and you failed. So we're going to come in and say you can't systematically keep African Americans from voting. You cannot gerrymander in a way that keeps black people from voting. Um, and over the years, obviously Republicans have fought long and hard. And look, people can talk about partisanship, but on this particular issue, at least in modern times, um, party that has been pushing to overturn the Voting Rights Act. So systematically, piece by piece, lawsuit by lawsuit, um, as the Supreme Court has gotten more conservative, they have gone step by step and said, this part of the Voting Rights Act, look, this is overreach by the federal government. We states' rights, the states should be able to do these things. There's no discrimination anymore. That's a relic of the past. And my God, leave Mississippi alone.